silly. Hey, Lewis. Say, hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma.
This is a video I'm going to send her. Say, what are you going to do today?
What are you going to do today?
No, what are you going to do today?
What are you going to do today?
No, I'm asking you, Molly. What are you doing today?
Play with toys with Sally.
And Anna?
Yeah.
We can go on a walk?
Can I go walk with you and I need shoulder?
I need a shoulder?
No, I just
Oh, a stroller.
a shoulder.
Yeah.
Can I get that on your back?
Yeah, you want to get on my back, on my shoulders?
Yeah, and you can run.
You want me to run?
Yeah.
That seems like a lot of work.
That's a lot of work.
Lewis. Hi. Make him do that.